Is this thing on?
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Everyone, welcome back. So today I'm doing a review of this particular item in a variation of colors. I have this, I have red, I got blue, and I have another actually different item, which is still the cookie crusted sweatshirt. But this is the Polo Ralph cookie crusted sweatshirt. It is a very exquisite piece, lightweight. It's about 87% cotton. It's about 13% mostly in the embroidery. This one has the piping, the stripe, ribbed waistline here. You also have the ribbed and striped piping here on the sleeve area. And also you have a crew neck here with the striped kind of piping, the different colors here. I mean, this thing is pretty exquisite just in the detail of the crest. You can really see that this thing is awesome. So I'm gonna review a few more colors so you can kind of get an idea of what this thing looks. So I'll give you a few quick shots up on the ribbed piping there, and this on the back is solid. So hang on, I'll show you some more colors. Also, I've paired this up with another Polo Ralph Lauren item. This is a ribbed winter knit hat. So it kind of goes, not particularly exactly like it, but pretty close. I tried to match it up a little bit. I got a few other matching Ralph Lauren hats that I'll show you that'll pair with the other colors. All right, so here's the red embroidered cookie crusted sweatshirt. Probably one of it really stands out, gets a lot of compliments. Once again, it has the ribbed and piping here with the colors blue and white right there. Really great detail on the cookie crest on the front, crew neck, everything going on. And I paired this one up with a red cookie crested Ralph Lauren winter hat. So yeah, this one's probably my favorite, but I also got a couple more, so hang on. All right, so here's one in navy blue, and it has the red and white ribbed piping here on the wrist and also on the waist right here. These things, once again, are very light, very cool. They're cotton, and the acrylic part is mostly within the pattern. Really high detail. Once again, it gets a lot of compliments. And I paired this one up with a Polo, sort of a vintage Polo Stadium hat here, winter hat with the red and black pattern, and the white over here with the 1967. This one I know is pretty popular too. But yeah, this is the navy blue. And I got one more to show you. All right, and this last one is sort of a throwback. This is a vintage Ralph Lauren cookie crested embroidered crest here. This one doesn't have any sort of ribbed, piping or anything. It is ribbed both on the sleeves and on the waist. There's no kind of color coding here. This is also crew neck. This one's a little bit older, but very classic, very popular. Still gets a lot of attention. I paired this one up with a CP93 limited edition polo hat, and kind of the color schemes in it work very well with the more kind of just plain solid color. This also has the crest right there on the front. So this is 5 panels and pretty unique piece. So that about wraps it up, you guys. Thank you for watching. As always, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I got a lot more videos coming out. I know I haven't been as persistent lately, just got a lot going on. I got a new kid and everything, so been very busy. But I'm gonna be doing some really cool videos coming up, some sort of skits and some travel stuff and some acting stuff and all this crazy stuff that ideas that I have. So once again, I'll see you later. This is the ZACK Experience.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of